Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and tap on the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Phone, and scroll down to the build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got a pin or a pattern, simply enter it to confirm. And as you can see, now we are a developer. Let's get back. And let's go to the system. Click on Advanced, and as you can see here we've got developer options, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some advanced options which you can customize if you want. After the whole customization, if you want to turn off developer options, simply tap on the switcher right here. Now it is off. Let's get back, and as you can see, it disappears. If you want to turn on developer options again, simply get back to the build number step. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.